I'm going to show you how you can easily use Advanced Auto Gas Rewards. Advanced Auto Parts offers a Speed Perks gas rewards program that lets members earn discounts on fuel at participating Shell stations. For every $50 spent either in-store or online, you earn a $0.05 per gallon discount. If you spend $250, you will get a $0.25 per gallon discount. To redeem your rewards, visit a participating Shell station. At the pump, select Fuel Rewards, then choose Alt ID. After that, enter 427, followed by your Speed Perks phone number. Each gas reward can be used on a single fuel purchase of up to 20 gallons. Keep in mind that rewards expire at the end of the month following the month in which they were earned. You can also stack your gas rewards for more savings, up to the full price per gallon, but any amount beyond that won't roll over or be refunded. By using these steps, you can earn and redeem gas rewards through Advanced Auto Parts and save on fuel.